Welcome to our YouTube video. Kajabi is an all-in-one toolkit that makes it super easy for you to create, launch, and promote your online products. In this beginner's tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to kickstart your journey on Kajabi and get your first online product up and running. What's cool about Kajabi is that it's not just for creating products. It's also got your back when it comes to managing your online business. Plus, it offers a bunch of handy features like website building, making beautiful landing pages, handling your email marketing, setting up sales funnels, and even processing payments. It's pretty much a one-stop shop for your online business needs. Let's dive into each of the sections. Products on Kajabi are online courses, communities, coaching programs, or digital resources like podcasts.
Going for a hike, ironically, is not to get to the top. It's to be on the trail.
To get started, head over to your dashboard and you'll find the Products section. Click on Plus New Product to start crafting your new offering. Pick a product blueprint that matches what you want to create. For example, if you're making an online course, go ahead and select Courses. After clicking on Courses, just hit Get Started. Give your course a catchy title. Let's say you're planning to teach people how to make money online. That's what you'll call it. Then write down a brief description. You can choose to create a sample course outline. If you want to go for it, just turn on the option. But if the sample outline doesn't quite match what you have in mind, you can turn it off. If the sample outline works for you, go ahead and enable it, and then click Continue. Kajabi will automatically whip up an outline for your course. After that, you can start adding your course material by clicking Add Content. You can even break it down into sub-modules if needed. You can upload your lessons and quizzes directly or import content from another course you've created. If you've got some overlap in your course material, you can easily merge it into your new course. Once your content is in place, you can spruce up your course by adding images. You can pick images from your Google Drive, your device, or even take pictures with your camera. Plus, you can include banners, logos, and other course info. Once you do that, you'll come to a choice. Do you want to offer your course for free or make it a paid one? If you're going for a paid course, select Paid and Continue. A new tab will pop up where you can link your preferred payment method. Kajabi gives you various options, including credit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Follow the prompt and finish your course creation. After courses, you have the coaching section. This is where you can create your very own coaching programs. These programs can be one-on-one sessions, and you've got the choice between offering a single session or a package that includes multiple coaching sessions under one subscription. Here's how you can set it all up. Go to the Products tab on your dashboard. Click on Coaching. To start crafting your coaching product, go for the Programs option. You can then choose between Plus New Program or Get Started to kick off the creation of your coaching program. Decide whether you want a single session or a package. Fill in the necessary details: program title, coach name, if you want to include it, and a short program description. Then click Continue. After you've set up the program details, you can customize how the scheduling and appearance work. Click Continue again, and you can set your scheduling preferences. You have the choice to use Kajabi for session booking or connect to Calendly if you prefer. Add your custom link or set up manual booking. You can choose the session duration for each session in your program for a package coaching program and click Continue when you're ready. Then, you can add a personal touch by customizing your program's appearance. Select your primary color, secondary color, and thumbnail image. And then click Continue again. Go ahead and set up the pricing for your coaching program along with an offer. Once you have all that sorted, hit Save and Finish. You can always manage, update, and review your coaching program from the Coaching tab. Next is the community section, your all-in-one solution for building and monetizing a thriving online community. It's got some fantastic features like live calls, challenges, leaderboards, accountability tools, and real-time chat, all seamlessly integrated with your business. To get started setting up your community, go to the Products section on your admin dashboard and select Community. Click on Get Started to kick off the community setup. You'll be prompted to name your community, add a description, and even upload a cover image. Then, you'll create an access group, which is like the heart of your Kajabi community. It's where you organize everything, from circles to challenges and events. You can use these access groups to set up different access levels within your community. After that, you have to decide on your pricing model for the access group. You can choose to offer it for free or charge for access. If you're going with the paid option, you can select between a one-time payment, multi-pay, or subscription model. Follow the prompt and click Save and Finish. When you successfully set up community, it'll take you to your community space, where you can create circles, share posts, plan meetups, and make the most of Kajabi's community tools. After products, you'll have the website section on your dashboard. Kajabi website allows you to seamlessly integrate with your entire business. Head over to the left navigation panel and click on Website. You can choose a template and begin crafting your website using one of the basic built-in designs. Kajabi offers a range of free templates, complete with page layouts, navigation styles, and blog designs, all of which you can customize to your heart's content. When you click on Website, you can select your preferred template and start building your site, all managed from your Kajabi account. Just pick the template you like, and it'll be installed. On your left, you'll find your template store, site details, and the basic template. You can then choose the specific page you want to work on. Click Customize Page, and you'll be taken to the website editor. On the left, you'll see sections and blocks. In the sections, there are headers and various links. You can easily edit and tailor these sections and blocks to match the content of each page. Once you're satisfied, simply click Save, and you just got yourself an amazing website. Next is the Sales section. Before a customer can make a purchase, or if you want to offer your product for free, you'll need to create an offer, which is essentially your product's price tag. To create your offer, head to your dashboard and open the Sales tab. Look for the Offers tab and click on it. Now at the top right corner of the page, find and select Plus New Offer. Follow the prompts to add an offer title, select the relevant products, and choose the payment type. You'll have the flexibility to create different pricing plans for your offer, whether it's free, one-time payment, multiple payments, or recurring payments. Now that you've set up sales, marketing your products with Kajabi is also a breeze. Head to the Marketing tab, and you'll find all the tools you need to craft emails, customize forms, and set up events and pipelines. Plus, you can give your marketing campaigns a personal touch by customizing your settings. To tweak your marketing settings, click on Marketing. You can provide your business details, like your marketing contact address, to show up in the email footer, and upload your company logo. If you want to build an email list, that's easy as well. In the Marketing tab, go to Email Settings and personalize your From Name, From Email, and Reply To settings. You can even set default email settings for new sequences under Email Sequence Defaults. And if you're into email marketing, click on Email Marketing. Create a new email campaign and set up email broadcasts. No need for a separate email marketing platform. What's great is that Kajabi has templates to help you do all that faster. Plus, you can automate it. You don't have to always do it yourself. Just set it up, and Kajabi will work for you while you sleep. Literally. Kajabi Analytics makes keeping tabs on your progress really easy. You can do this through the Analytics dashboard, which provides you with valuable information like net revenue, opt-ins, page views, subscription signups, and offers sold. This data helps you figure out what aspects of your business might need some tweaks to increase sales. To access this data, just go to your dashboard and click on the Analytics tab. From there, you can explore specific analytics categories like purchases, net revenue, and more by clicking on View. The Analytics page also has a recent transactions sidebar on the right, which shows you real-time activity, so you're always in the loop. These reports are your best friends for figuring out what needs work to help your online business grow. Here's a really handy feature in your Kajabi settings. It's called integration. What makes this so great is that if you're already using a particular platform, you don't have to ditch it and switch to Kajabi entirely. You can smoothly integrate that platform right into Kajabi, whether it's linking with Zapier, Aweber, or any other tool you're accustomed to. And if you ever need more support, just head to your dashboard and scroll down. You'll find the Kajabi Hero Group, Kajabi University, and Kajabi experts are there to help you out. I hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, I'd appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a like and subscribing to the Money Mindset Mission channel. Thanks for watching.